All right guys, this is Jared from Aramilco. We're gonna take this 1963 Impala from this to this. And we're about to show you how we do it. All right, so here we've got a 1963 Impala. And what makes this car really cool, outside of it being an Impala, is the state in which it came in, which we can splice some of those still photos in. This entire car was covered in original undercoating. And if you know anything about these cars or have any experience with American classics, you know that undercoating, well, as evidenced in the pictures, is really, really thick. You can't scrape it off. You can't pressure wash it off. I don't even know if you can put a chemical on and be able to strip it off. And even if you can, it'll be really, really gooey, make an absolute mess. Enter DryIce. So with our DryIce equipment here at Merit, we're able to dial in our settings and use an absolute insane amount of ice with a really big particle size and turn down our air pressures and blow off all that undercoating to expose the originality that's hiding beneath that. This is the red oxide primer that's original to this car, which I absolutely love, taking that undercoating off and being able to see this original red oxide primer. Now, for this car, now that we've got it completely stripped and clean, free of any contamination, we're going to take and we're going to undercoat it with this 958. This is a product by Dinitrol. We use the full Dinitrol product line here. This customer chose this product because he wanted a little bit harder substance to make it look like a traditional, kind of like an American undercoating, like a Raptor liner. This is a really nice finish. We've used this on a lot of vehicles, and you guys be the judge. All right, so I have this really expensive high-end light here, so I can show you guys what I mean by when I say we blasted a lot of stuff off of this car. Now, there's ambient dust everywhere, and you'll notice it's honestly everywhere. However, this is just what's been swept up after 2 days of dry ice blasting. I'm willing to bet that this is probably 5 gallons that's on the floor that came off the bottom of this car. So now he's gonna be able to run a 25-second quarter mile instead of a 27-second. All right, it's Mark's first day. Mark, I like the sweater. Mark was given a lot of special sweaters with our company logo on them, and he refuses to wear them. I guess that would indicate that it's not Mark's first day, but Mark's not wearing one of our sweaters, which I guess technically I'm not either.
I'm not either.
You're not either?
No.
This is awkward. All right, now if you guys are paying attention, and really paying attention, which I hope you are, you'll notice something strange is happening, right? So we did say the bottom of this car is going black. However, this product that we're spraying clearly going on blue. So this product, as it continues to harden, is gonna go from this blue hue, and it's gonna harden pitch black. In fact, you can already see some areas maybe in this trunk pan that are starting to turn black from that blue. What's really beneficial for us as the applicator is we're able to see low spots and areas that may not have covered really well. So this is a really great solution. We really enjoy working with it, and you're gonna see hopefully that it makes a really, really nice finished presentation once we're done. All right, so we just finished up here on this 1963 Impala. We've done our full undercoating. We do have a few small spots to touch up, and you'll notice some areas like these brake drums haven't been done because this car is going to be converted to disc brakes. However, look at the transformation this car has gone through in a couple of days. So in my personal and professional opinion, the value that we have added to this car visually is almost unbelievable in the time frame in which we've had this car. This car has been in the shop since Tuesday. Today is Friday, and this is virtually a finished product. Now, we went through, we stripped everything, and you can see the before pictures in the beginning of this video. And my question to you guys in the comment is, how much value has been added to this car by doing the work that we just recently completed? So by taking a nice original Survivor car, but then cleaning away the years of dirt and old, thick, nasty undercoating to be able to preserve all the original sheet metal and then give this type of preservation, where else are you going to get that outside of a full restoration? You're not. So if you have a car and it doesn't matter what it is, it could be a brand new F350 that you want to have some additional corrosion protection. We have a Toyota TRD Pro coming in later today. Or you've got a classic muscle car or anything in between. You want some additional curb appeal and you want this added protection. Visit our website, visit one of our social channels, reach out to Merritt Moco. We'd be happy to hook you up. Stay tuned.
All right, let's see your custom handmade.
It's Swedish. It's very, very expensive. So it's an old AC Delco oil filter that cut up, and then put some of this crude stuffing in, and then I'll take a battery drill, put that right there instead of taking care of it so we don't know where it's at in the future. And I open up the chuck. Shake weight.
It's for mixing paint?
Mixing paint. So we'll just put that baby in there. Yeah.
That
Bingo.
Never go to Sherwin-Williams again.
Rookies.